Hey everyone, this is Pegmis here with another 3D printing video. This week we're going to attempt a nut and a bolt and see how well they screw into each other with threads. I really have no idea how it's going to turn out, but we're going to go ahead and get this thing started, so here we go. Now I don't know if anybody can tell from here, but I'm having a lot of printer bed movement, and this is a problem I'm trying to fix. I don't really know how well this print will turn out. I'm really hoping for the best though. It's a lot of movement, it's kind of scary actually. There you have it, folks. We have a completed piece. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this off the printer bed. I'm surprised this thing actually worked out. I was a bit nervous earlier when the printer bed started wobbling like this. I don't know what's causing it. So, oh boy. Alright, here is the bolt. Let's see if we can get it cleared up a bit. A little bit. It's not bad. Now, I have no idea where that landed. There you go. Here we go, folks. We've got a nut. Lefty loosey. Righty tighty. Kind of fits. I didn't get the threads too perfectly lined up, but yeah, you can just pull it apart, but it's close. Alright, folks, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.